Driving Taste Hamilton location. Take right.
Follow left.
For left here. End of the stop sign, turn left. So next road, left. End of the road from signal, Barter Road, turn right. Now approach Red Hill Parkway Highway. It will come on your right side. So speed of this turning is 30, and then once you merge to the road, the speed is 80 km of a highway. When it's safe, change the lane, and then after again come back to the same lane. So lane change will done on this highway. They will do lane change usually 2 times. Now we again come back to the same lane, right lane. Take exit from King Street. So this is a Queenstown Street. Usually they ask the exit for the King Street, which is the next exit. Again speed is 80 km for Red Hill Valley Highway. End of the King Street, you need to take left. So right now we are on King Street. So they will ask you to go inside the Port Rough
अच्छा
road.
बस ले लिया हाँ ये स्पीड कर ली 60 की
Wherever speed is not mentioned, you need to consider 50. If it's they mention the speed, you then consider the speed. Most of the Hamilton road, they are 50 speed or highway is 80. So in the street even you can drive 50 kilometer per hour, except it's a school zone. So now we are going inside the houses, city, right? So from Galmont Drive you need to take left. Galmont is here. This is Galmont. You need to take left. So usually they don't ask you to go really inside because test is only 15 to 20 minute time. So make sure you listen to the examiner carefully. So here they probably ask you to do parallel parking, 3-point turn, or straight parking, emergency parking, whatever they would like you to perform. Right. Do parallel parking with this car. So once your parallel parking is done, make sure when you park, if it's uphill, you need to turn all the wheel to the left. If it's a right hill, you need to turn on downhill, turn right. So now you coming out from houses, streets. Now you need to, from the King Street, you need to take right, and then now you need to take left on Red Hill Valley Parkway. So when you guys come out from King Street, make sure you need to do the 2-lane change because the highway is on left side. Good thing about in the return Red Hill Valley Parkway, it has a left signal. So this is a entering the highway is 30 in curve, and then when you merge to the highway is 80 is the speed. Take the exit from Queenstown Road. So they don't ask for Barter Street, they usually ask for Queenstown Road in return. So the exit is immediately once you enter King Street to the Red Hill Valley, and then on the right you need to take right. Right, you need to go right. So when you come out from the Queenstown, it asking you to take right to the Barter Street. तुरंत लाइन चेंज आजो नीचे देखा है पट्टा देखा है हूँ देखा है okay. So make sure when you come out from the highway, immediately take 1-lane change to the left because lane is finishing, and Nash Road you need to take left. From the Nash Road you need to take
in 400 meters turn left on Nash Road North.
So here make sure they don't tell you Nash, where is a Nash Road, so read the sign. Is Nash Road is still 400 meter far, so still you need to go little straight and then go to Nash Road.
Okay. Aman?
Yes, Nash Road. So make sure you don't change the lane. If this is a sign,
Turn left
you
at the
wait
traffic
till
light.
that dotted line come up white and then change.
Next road.
Turn to Nash. Yes. From the Nash Road, we just need to keep driving
Turn
straight.
left on Barton Street East.
આમાં લાઈન ચેન્જ નથી કરવા ગાડી મેલી છે ચાલો અત્યારે જાઓ
So when you approach Nash Road, make sure you come on the right lane, because anyway from Barter you need to take a right turn. So now Barter Street East you need to take right. So they don't tell you like how far Barter Street. You just keep reading the sign. Usually they tell when it's 400 to 500 meter far, they tell you the street name. So Barter Street is a big street, so definitely it should have a signals. So then yeah, so end of the signal, turn.
Turn right at
Right.
the traffic light.
If you don't understand, you can also ask the examiner that can you please repeat, and then they will tell you again. So from here, from Kanora, you need to take left. So here guys, what you understand, most of the time we need to take left. So be attentive. Most of the roads are 2 lane or 3 lane, and then so many times the roads are closed on the right lane, turning right side or something. So always see on the road what it mentioned, the sign, right? Now we are almost in end.
ચાલો ગાડી
Good thing about Canara Drive, it's you have a left side signal. So after that you just need to go straight, and your examination center will come.
Arrive at
Thank you.
370 Kenora Avenue on the right.
કેવાય છે
Just go straight.